If your garage is a little untidy and you need help sorting it out, then you can't go wrong with a ToolPRO Edge tool cabinet. ToolPRO Edge cabinets are available in 3 widths, 28-inch wide, 36-inch and the larger 51-inch to suit whatever space you have available. Each cabinet in the range is built to withstand the rigours of a working garage life and keep your tools safe and secure in lockable drawers. Swivelling caster wheels can be locked and unlocked to allow you to move your tools to wherever you need them. And pegboard panels let you mount storage hooks on the outside. If you need even more storage or a place to work, then the range of ToolPRO Edge chests have been designed to stack perfectly on top of the equivalent ToolPRO Edge cabinet. With the same tough construction, pegboard panels and deep drawers, they add unparalleled flexibility to your garage storage. On top of this, each tool chest features 2 power cable ports, so you can set up charging stations and run your power tools or lighting in the workspace beneath the clamshell lid. With a ToolPRO Edge cabinet and tool chest combo from Supercheap Auto, you have no excuse for a disorganised garage, as long as you remember to put everything back once you've finished with it, that is.